I want to talk about something that is so important, has been important in my life, basically my entire life, and it's the law of attraction. Let me explain. So, when you think about life, one of the things that you want to pay attention to is instead of thinking about all of the things that are going wrong in your life, why don't you shift your mindset and be grateful and thankful for all of the things that are going good in your life, right? What are all the things that are happening that is exciting you? Because what happens is when you have that negative mindset, you attract negative energy. It happens. You might not be aware that it's happening, but it's happening, I assure you. And then when you have that positive energy, just starting with being grateful for all the things that are going positive in your life, you connect that positive energy around you and it attracts positivity. What I would encourage you to do is to think about that and just start to attract that positive energy. And I guarantee it's going to make a world of difference in your life.